Hi folks, Mike Hype here, Amazon Volume review of the Gevi um, stainless steel electric coffee grinder with a very important, didn't know this when I bought it, but feature is the removable grinding bowl. So as you can see here, it's very simple. It's top loader, it's nice sturdy plastic on top. That's cool, but this is the best part right here. The bowl is separated. You can separate it from the base to pour your ground coffee, number one, and number two, most importantly, to clean this thing when you want to do that. People will tell you all kinds of things about the oils from the coffees and yada yada yada, but those also create acid, and that's bad for your coffee. So you do definitely want to occasionally clean this thing out. So that makes it so easy. It is small and fits in my corner, my coffee corner here very nicely. It holds. There's my old grinder back there hiding. Keep hiding back there, jerk. Um, this holds like twice the amount of coffee that does, and grinds it so much nicer than that coffee grinder there. I really like this thing. It's compact. It will fit the exact amount of coffee that I drink in the morning, just perfectly. So I would say 8 cups out of your regular coffee maker is what it holds. But your mileage may vary. I don't know what some crazy coffee consumers out there, but I really like this thing. I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5 for now. I've only used it twice, so I can't speak to the longevity of the thing. But it's sturdy. It's nice sized. It holds the perfect amount of coffee. It's not too big. You're not grinding a whole bag of coffee, obviously, and it does it quickly. The only thing you got to know is when to stop grinding for the proper grit on your grind. That's it. Little figuring it out, but I very much like it. Thank you.